Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to put video inside text in CapCut PC. So first, to be able to get started with this, we'll just need to click onto the new project to begin. Now right after, it should load something like this. And for us to be able to get started, the first thing that we need to do is to import the video that we want to go ahead and use. So we're going to go ahead and drag and drop a video in here, or you could simply click onto the import button and you should be able to see the video already added in here. So you'll just need to drag it back again here onto the timeline, and then you should be able to see the video played out just like this. So you could play onto the triangle button to play out the video in there. Now for us to be able to go ahead and add in the text, now what we need to do next is just to click onto the video, scroll down in here until you find in the blend option. So we're going to expand that one, and then we'll need to go ahead and lower the opacity of our video. So it should look something like that, and then scroll down until you find in the canvas. So let's expand that, and then we'll try to choose in the color in here. So click onto that, and you could go ahead and choose in any color you want. So let's try out this white one, and then right after, let's head onto the text in here, which is found onto the upper part of the screen. And then you could add in a default text in here, and then we'll just have to go ahead and try to drag this so that it should fit the video that we have in here. So it should look something like this. And then we're going to go ahead and try to choose in the font color for that over in here onto the right side. So you could choose any color that you want. So we could try out green for this, since this is what we're going to use in here so that the video will be inside this text. So let's try to rename this first as well. So this is where you could edit the text here onto the upper part. Let's name this text, and then you could also change the font for that one. So there are a lot of fonts that are offered in here. Let's try to choose in something like this one. So you'll just need to go ahead and simply click onto that, adjust in the font size, make it bigger, just like that. And then right after, we'll just have to export this first. So you'll just need to go ahead and save this video, and then we'll need to wait for that one. And once it is successful, you should be able to see something like this. So let's click on to cancel, and then we'll try to remove this text in here. And then we're going to head back here onto the media, onto the upper left corner, and then we'll try to import the recently exported video. So you'll just need to simply click import for that, find in the video, and then click onto open so that it should be added in here. So we'll do the same thing of dragging and dropping it in here. So as you can see, it should look something like this. And then the next step that we're going to do in here is we're going to go ahead and try to click onto this one. Click on to cut out here onto the right side. And then we're going to go ahead and click onto the chroma key. So as you can see, there is a color picker in here. Click onto this one. And then you should be able to go ahead and try to point it onto the color of the text. Now we'll just have to adjust the strength for that. So as you can see, we could go ahead and have this up to until 50, and it should look something like this. So as you can see, the video is already inside the text, and if you play it, it should look something like this. So you could try to adjust this as well. So you could make this one shorter. So I think around in here, or you could just make it at the center. Once you're satisfied, just hit onto the export button, and then go ahead and try to rename this and click onto export again to save it onto your device. And that is just basically it onto how to put a video inside text in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.